guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nikki. I am the owner of a sticker shop called NicoleAlexiaDesigns, and this is our Ultimate Planner Sale new release video. So I have got two new collections for you guys. We've got deco, we've got layering sheets, we've got freebies, we have got freebies from other shops I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna kind of go over everything. I'm gonna start with just the normal, oh no, I forgot a freebie. I'm gonna start with the normal new release video, and then we'll move into freebies and everything. I am going to be offering 30% off this weekend as part of Ultimate Planner Sale. I am an admin for that sale. What else? We've got freebies. We've got, like I said, the stuff from other shops, and then we will also have free domestic shipping on orders 50 plus. I need to set that up tonight. I'm gonna forget. But yeah, so the code for that will be released at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Ultimate Planner Sales Facebook group, Instagram, my Facebook group, Instagram, you guys are probably just gonna see it if you follow any planner shops. So let me grab the freebie that I forgot, and that I also forgot to foil. It was under a smaller piece of foil. Oh, this isn't going well. So this is and I also messed this part up, but this is the freebie that we have been offering in the shop, just on a different color scheme. So all of the freebies will be gold because they're kind of a fall theme. So for this particular one, you get the box here, you get a banner, a couple of our frames boxes, and then flourishes, and then some of the string, I don't know, what are these actually called in the shop? I don't think they're called string lights. I'm not sure, but anyway, so that is the freebie that will go in with all orders. Again, this will be gold foil. And then here are the other tiered freebies. So the first one here is for orders 35 and up. That is before after discount, but before shipping. So with this one, you get a bunch of icons as well as a bunch of scripts. And then we have got the 50 and up sampler. So this is a really pretty like minty sagey green. This actually matches the autumn collection. So for this one, you've got just a ton of our foil functionals. You've got frames, boxes, dividers. Let's see, we've got some of the leaf and the vine headers. You've got checklists, flourishes down here, even a little bit of deco. So those are the freebies. I'm sorry, this isn't foiled, that we are offering for our shop. And then I will do the other freebies in just a second. I actually meant to start with the collections candle to try to keep these pressed, not the freebies. But let's see, let's get started with the first one that is called Sunflower. When I tell you that while designing this kit, I was just like, unable almost to control the want to just go and print it to see what it was gonna actually print like. You guys, I had so much fun designing this kit because this is a lot of different stuff going on here. This wasn't like a set of things that went together. I played with a lot of things and then brought them together, and I love how this turned out. I think like this is probably gonna be the first kit that I use in fall. So let's just go ahead and get started. Let's do deco first. So I will have this up in the shop as part of the kits. There'll be an add-on option. It will also be available a la carte. I forgot to do that last week and then someone reminded me. So you've got the sunflowers, pumpkins, you got some buffalo plaid ribbon, a pumpkin sign, this little fall. Just, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you've ever watched my vlogs and you've seen my house, it is decorated in that kind of farmhouse style. So this is just, like I have something that looks almost identical to this, and then I've got a ton of these like mint colored pumpkins. Not right now, obviously, but once I start decorating for fall. So we've got foiled sunflowers, and then there's the pumpkins, Hello Fall. There's a couple of little leaves here. You've got some more sunflowers, the candle, these pumpkin stand, and then this little basket of pumpkins. I love this. And then we've got the washi. I want to show that with it. So we've got the sunflowers foiled on the bottom washi, as well as your washi strips here, and then the date covers down the side. You've got your tracker here, or it can just be used as a checklist, but there are 7 foiled bows here. Daily trackers up top, and look at this. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Okay, so for your second sheet, you've got boxes. We did some of the florals in the boxes here, a couple of these banners, and then you've got your smaller boxes down at the bottom. There is some of the confetti foiling, the line foiling, and then the light foiling and some bows up here. Moving on, you've got your third sheet here. So you've got a row of the scalloped headers that have the bows and the confetti. You've got a row of floral headers and then a row of the sparkle headers. You've got 8 bow checklist, 3 more bow boxes. You've got some flags, some circles, and then some arrows. And then down at the bottom, you have got your regular washi. And then these 4 pages would be the base version of this kit. So we will have a listing available for the base kit, and then we will have a listing available for the luxe kit, which will include this 5th sheet. There is also the option for ombre checklist for these, and then this will also be available a la carte. So this is my new favorite sheet. So we've got the boxes over to the side, you've got banners, you've got scalloped headers, scallop boxes, these small boxes, and then you've got your bow circle icons up top. I love this sheet. So did I show the deco already? I'm pretty sure that I did. I'm sorry, you guys. I have been awake and working for just much too long. This entire week has been so stressful, but that is just part of Ultimate Planner Sale. We are trying to get out all open orders before, well, by tomorrow, so they won't be before the sale starts, but that has been a lot of work trying to get through all of those. We finished shipping all of the $3 Tuesday stuff today, and we will be moving on to the autumn and the fall kits tomorrow, and I'm hoping we can get them all out tomorrow afternoon. So that was the sunflower kit. Now moving on to pumpkin, and I love this one. So let me start here with the deco sheet. So this one doesn't have as many florals in it, but you do have a lot of pumpkins. You've got an apple pie, some fall candles, a couple of fall clothing items, a sweater pillow. I don't know if that's what that's really called, but that's what I call mine. You've got pumpkins here. You have got some different coffee syrups, and then a coffee here as well as here, so super cute. And then for your full boxes, also both of these kits are gold. I don't know if I mentioned that, gold foil. So we've got leaves. I did the falling leaf pattern here, and then we've got some leaves within, as well as a couple of pumpkins. Your quote box says pumpkin spice everything, and then we've got that big pumpkin up top. I love this. I love the plaids in this kit. I think it's so pretty. And then you've got the flannel blankets, you've got your fall bucket list, you've got the pumpkin bar, as well as like some marshmallows and some hot chocolate, your book bag up top, like a little back to school. I adore the colors in this, and I just love how this one turned out. So that is your full box sheet. I'm gonna show you guys the bottom washi sheet because I'm obsessed with it. So you've got pumpkins all along that plaid. And then I wanted to do a background for our date covers for this kit. So we've got the orange plaid behind those, and then you've got the leaf pattern behind your bow washi. So there are those two together. Love this. I'm so ready. I'm not ready for fall weather, but at the same time, like, I just adore fall. Love sweaters and, you know, cuddly things, blankets, all of that. And designing these kits when it's literally 90 degrees here, it's a bit weird, but that is your full box sheet. Moving on, we've got your box sheet here. So we've got some pumpkins over here. We've got the plaids, some more patterns within the boxes. And again, the color palette for this kit, I just love. Next, we've got your scalloped headers, you've got your bow checklist, your functionals, and your washi. And then, like I just showed, you've got your bottom washi sheet. And then here is your layering sheet option, either a la carte or on the luxe version of the kit. And for this, we did the plaids, as well as, I don't know why, I say we when I refer to the shop. I don't know why. It feels odd to me to say I, but it is me that did this. But anytime I'm referring to the shop, I tend to say we, and I know that that's a bit odd. So yeah, there is your layering sheet. So that is the pumpkin collection. Love that. And then let me show you guys some of the freebie stuff from other shops. I am still waiting on one. So for the first 40 orders over $15 USD, you will get a mini kit from one of 4 participating shops. So the shops that I've swapped with here are Planner Penguin, we've got Britain's shop, this is Bean Sprout Paper Co. Look at the cards she sent, look at that. She also sent over some freebies, and she's gonna be mad at me when she realizes that I forgot to send her freebies. I only sent her kits, so hopefully she doesn't watch this, and maybe I can get those in the mail before she realizes what has happened. The next thing that I've got here is from Pookie Bear Cuties, and then I also will have some from Fabulously Planned. Those are on the way. So yeah, you'll get one of these 4 if you're within the first 40 and your order is over 15 USD. These do tend to go pretty quickly, like within the first I mean, it just depends, but generally within the first like 10-ish minutes. So if you are wanting to shop and you're wanting to grab one of these, you are able to preload your cart tonight. And then whenever you get the code tomorrow morning, you'll be able to just put the code in with the cart preloaded. If you're watching this, all of the new releases are already loaded, and anything that we will have available for the sale will already be on the website. So your cart will save. I don't know if you have to be logged into your account for that. Maybe just to be safe, do that. But let me go ahead and show you guys these. I saw this and was just like, oh my goodness. So it's almost like a Sanrio kit. Like it's got Hello Kitty. Oh, what's the frog's name? And what's My Melody? Isn't that her name? I can't think of the frog's name. Somebody tell me in the comments. But just super cute. So you've got boxes, checklists, these really cute bow banners. You've got washi down here at the bottom. Full boxes, date covers, date numbers. You've got some headers, bill due, a weekly tracker, and then some scripts right here. There's some trackers down at the bottom. Such pretty colors. So those are from Pookie Bear Cuties. And then hers were the only ones that I actually opened. So sorry about that. I used to swap with a bunch of shops and get smaller samplers, but then I stopped doing that when some of the admins and I decided to start doing like mini kits or micro kits, whatever you want to call them, instead of samplers. I just think it's better for you guys because you get something that you can really use. So this is from Planner Penguin. This is so cute. I love the lemons. Your quote box says, squeeze the day. You've got full boxes. You've got half boxes here, weekly tracker, daily tracker, and then you have got date covers, you've got checklist, bow headers, bill due, a bunch of boxes, and then a bunch of functional items down at the bottom. Love the colors in that. And then from Britain, I've got some samplers, like I said, some freebies. I'm probably just gonna throw these into random orders. So you've got work hard, be kind, stay humble. You've got some scoots, and then you've got some boxes and some dots. I believe that this stuff matches her anniversary box that she did that was like a Lisa Frank theme. It was so cute. So let me open these up really quick and I'll show you guys her 2-page kit. Okay, so this is so cute. It's rainbow. So you've got easy things aren't worth doing, your only limit is you, and you got this. You've got date covers, glitter headers, heart checklist, some ombre checklist, and a tracker. And then the second sheet for this one has got some washi. You've got a ton of boxes, and then some functional items, some bill dues, and a daily tracker. So super cute. So yeah, those will be for, and then Michelle's Fabulously Planned will be sending some over as well. I think they're actually supposed to get delivered like tomorrow or Saturday. So those will be available as well. But first 40 orders over 15. I think that's it. I hope you guys love this week's new releases. I will link UPS down below, the Instagram, the Facebook group, and the website. So make sure to check out the other shops that are participating, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.